out of pocket. I use this bike almost every weekend when you say that.
Yeah, more than that.
So I didn't really want to be out of commission and wait for insurance to cover it and all that.
And your seat, the seat she had was, she kept slipping to the side and forward, and the seat didn't. Oh, it's up here. Yeah, hold on. Yeah, this was the seat that she had before. That was the original seat from the bike, and it's a great seat except for Anna's. It would probably work for some people, but for Anna, and I have all the tape on there to help her keep her from slipping because she kept slipping off to the side or slipping forward. What?
The tape that we have.
Oh, I forget the name of it. Shoot.
Dyson.
Dyson, yeah.
Dyson.
Yeah.
So we, in this bike, we had a now new, not this particular model, but like other models.
The new version, they're really, really nice. The new Riftons are amazing.
So we decided
But they're just really expensive. So.
We decided to pay up our money and do a temporary modification that happened to work really well.
So this seat she's sitting on, if you can pull yourself up, Anna, try to pull yourself up. Stand up. See this back seat much bigger, and you'll notice it's got an indent in the middle which goes down, so she can't slip forward, and then the sides go up on each side, so it keeps her completely straight. She really doesn't even need a seatbelt anymore, even though we wear it.
Yeah, and
so the seat's working really great.
I wanted to mention something for people who I don't know how to describe this, but remember Dad can describe it. But remember my legs were rubbing?
Yeah.
So this area of my leg right here, kind of like the inner thigh part, was rubbing right here.
Right.
And luckily I'm a horseback rider, so I learned that if you shoot all the way back and let your leg in between this indent here, that's the leg here.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
This indent here.
That creates more angle for her legs when she moves back in the seat.
Yeah, and Dad had to move the back for us.
Yeah, I had to adjust the backrest so that it's back further. But that was funny because my instinct was for her to move forward so her legs wouldn't hit. But that didn't work because it brought her that kind of V. You know, as you move it back, the legs can be clear that middle part easier. So she moved back and suddenly it worked.
Yeah.
Instead of forward.
Let's go on the bike side and we'll show you how this works.
Okay, here's Anna riding. So she's, you can see she's sitting on that seat nice and straight. She doesn't slip left or right or up or anything.
And I'm on the edge here too.
On the edge?
Purposely.
Purposely? Okay, so you can sit, you can kind of works either forward or back now for some reason, but I think it's because her knees are farther apart and it really works well. And she's also working on her right wrist. You want to show them how you straighten it? See, she tries to straighten it, which adds a little length, and then straighten your right arm, unbend it a little bit.
What is that? The handle.
The handles are made by a company called Oury or Ori, O-U-R-Y. They're from Bicycle Shop.
Yeah,
Maplewood Cycles are awesome. They are the nicest people in the whole world.
And
And they've helped Anna a lot with her bikes.
And then this half this bike did the 19, don't tell me, 1976.
Yeah, so these handlebars, we got to say something because these are not Rifton handlebars. They'd be mad if we said that these are some replacements, and the only reason we put them on is so because Anna can't reach the other ones, and the ones we had weren't adjustable enough. So we put these old banana bike handlebars from her friend Nick, and hey, Nick's Classic Bikes gave her these classic old banana bar handlebars, and they lever down with the pivot here, and this so I can get the handles closer to Anna.
And we do realize that Rifton has one handlebar.
Yeah, they have single handlebars, and that could work.
We're not using.
Well, because we're just trying to decide whether to upgrade eventually. So that we got the seat for now.
And we want my right arm to stay down a little bit.
Well, yeah, if you got the single handlebar, you probably wouldn't work on your right arm as much. So it's kind of nice to do something to do therapy and kind of work on that arm. So, yeah, that's about. Anything else, Anna?
That's about it.
All right, lead us out.
Make sure you test out the adaptions for all my bikes. Whatever I find, I will make. And also, stay tuned for my next video.